Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to create a matches and differs bot, and anyone can be able to do it. I wish I knew this when I started trading 4 years ago. So let's go on. So come to trade parameters. After you have gotten to your deriv bot, click either 10 on S, 10, 25 on S, whichever you like. But in the trade type, change this to digit, matches and differs. Put this as differs. So the first thing we need a variable called stake. So stake will be how much we trade with. So that is a stake. Come to math. A stake with 100 bob, $100. This is my demo account. And then let's take this variable, drag it to the stake there. So that should be set. Now let's come to the logic of ensuring that the bot trades only differs. So what we're going to do, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to create a bot that when you get digit 1 as the last digit, it trades differs digit 1. So ensuring you're always winning. So let me show you how you do that. So the first thing you'll need is, I need a loop. So don't take the repeat one first block because this requires a number. Take the second one, which requires variable. And then also on the loops again, not on the loops, but on the time, I need not the delayed, this delayed run based on seconds. I need to put it there. So first of all, I'll need a variable, and the variable is on math because I want this to keep going on. There's something here on math, these mathematical constants that I need to put here, and I need to go into infinity, so it will keep running and running and running. So I hope you're getting it up to there. So I think I put this on the wrong block, so let me just copy it. It should be on this block, then this here, this should be purchase options, that should be there, and this one will be here. So don't worry, I'll help you sort them out. So for that, after how many seconds do I need the bot to run? So if you're using 10 on S or anything that has 1 second, use 1 second. If you're using volatility 10 index or anything that has the index without 1S, just use 2 seconds because it takes 2 seconds to take a trade. So put 1 there, and now the block doesn't have an issue. So the first thing we'll need is that last digit. How do we get that last digit? First of all, we create a variable that we call last digit. Create. Do I really need to set it here? So last digit, the last digit will of course be in a list. So I need to come to the list and find it in list get. So I'll use this list. What is the list called? Come to analysis, tick analysis. Remember we used this some time ago. Last digit list get, then get from end. From the end, how many do I need? I just need the last one, math. So I need the last digit. So just put 1. And with that said, we have our last digit here. So we just need to trade differs if the last digit is not this. For example, if the last digit is 1, trade differs 1. If the last digit is 2, trade differs 2. If the last digit is 3, trade differs 3. So on and on and on. So of course, with that, we will need a prediction. So variables prediction. So this is the method 1 that I'm showing you. That prediction to variables last digit, and then come here, put the prediction there. So with that, the bot should be done. But I always like having a notification here just to show me if the bot is doing the correct thing, because remember, when you lose money, you're losing real money. So don't lose for stupid reasons. So come here and just need the last digit like that. So what this will do, let's run it here, journal. See, the last digit is 8, 8, 8. I think I've got something wrong. Just one moment. So the last digit is, yeah, I get the last digit, I get the notification, I get the default trade. So I get the reason why it doesn't work. So first of all, with the prediction, the wrong place. So we need to set the prediction here, and then also we need to break the loop. So there. So let's see, run. So 100, yeah, you got one. So it trades D first, digit one, got one again, trade digit D first. So let me just stop it so that we see. So you see it took 3 trades. So the first trade, the last digit was 1. So the way win payout is not 1 after one tick, win. It gets 1 again. If the win payout in the last digit is not 1, win, and the last one. So, but in a situation where it gets, for example, the last digit is 0, and then it gets 0 again, you might lose. And losing $100 for $9 can be a lot of money. So how do we mitigate that? So we create another type of bot. We create 2 last digits. Okay, so we get the last and the second last digit. So this is the second last. Let me create a variable here, call it second last digit, create. Right, so here I don't need to do that. Call this second last digit. In the last digit list, get the second number, and then just remove this. So we set the prediction to either the last digit. We can also remove that. So I need another here, so remove that. It says last and second last digit there. So last digit, this time we need to test and make sure second last. So it will print these two numbers consecutively. So with that, now I need one thing. I need an if statement that checks that the last digit and the second last digit are equal. Then set the prediction to either of those digits and break the loop. So come to loop, not loop, but logic. So if here, so math, we do a comparison. So logic again, or is it this? If variable second last digit and last digit are equal, then variable set prediction variable to either last digit or second last digit because they're the same. And then the last thing I need is I need to break this loop because we don't break it, we need to arrange these blocks like that. I think we have the correct thing. So we're doing this repeatedly infinite times. We set the last digit to the last digit in the last digits list by getting the last one and getting the second last one. We print out the text, we print out the two numbers, we compare if the last digit and second digit is equal. We set the prediction to either of them because this and this should be similar. Then we break the loop and we run after 1 second. There you go. So let's see. So this is safer than doing it once. Okay, so let's see. 1 and 6, 4 and 3, 7 and 7. So it buys. Let's see. So it loses. This is even more riskier than having the two of them. 7, 7, 1, and let's see, last and second digit. So it will only trade if it finds two similar ones, 1 and 1. So that wins. 4 and 4. Let's see. It wins also. So that is technically what happens. So you could set this to up to get three consecutive similar numbers, because that way you're sure the next number can never be the same. But as you can see, it's also not foolproof, but it's up to you to test which one you think is the safest. So let me know, is this one safer, or is the other one for one digit safer? Which one would you use if you had the option? So also, if you've watched this video to the end, the other video that we did for AI goes very well with this. So if you can create an AI bot and create a differs and matches bot, you'll be good to go. So watch that video here at the top.